Magandang umaga Pilipinas and hello world! My name is Ryan and welcome to Cupcakes Ball. Today is all about the Avengers Infinity War movie. Today, I'll be teaching you how to make Ube Cupcakes. Ube is a very delicious Filipino dessert made with purple yam. In this video, I will be recreating Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet from Candy Melts. So subscribe now so you won't miss any upcoming videos. And let's get started! The first step in creating the Infinity War cupcakes is to first make the Ube cupcakes. The inspiration for today's purple cupcakes was Thanos. Thanos is the main villain of the upcoming Avengers Infinity War movie. To get the purple color of my cupcakes, I've decided to use purple yam. For this cupcakes, I'll be using Ube Jam, Ube powder, and Ube extract. Ube is a very delicious Filipino dessert made from purple yam. Make sure to check the description box below for the full recipe and the instructions. To make the cupcakes, you will need 2.5 cups of cake flour, 1.5 cup of granulated sugar, 1 cup of milk, 175 grams of soft unsalted butter, 5 eggs, 4 tablespoons of Ube jam, 1/4 cup of Ube powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of Ube extract, and half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. The first step is to cream the butter and the sugar on high for 5 minutes. Once the butter and the sugar are fully incorporated, it's now time for us the eggs. But you have to add the eggs one by one. And then you mix this on medium. The next step is to add your Ube jam. Make sure to check the details below on where you can get this product. If you've never tried Ube before, Ube tastes like creme brulee and sweet potatoes. Now that you've added your Ube jam, beat it on medium for 1 minute. Now that you have your Ube jam in the mixture, it's now time for us to sift all the dry ingredients. We start with the flour, Ube powder, baking powder, and salt, and sift it all together. Now that we've sifted all our dry ingredients, is we take half of it and put it into our mixing bowl, and then pour in all of your wet ingredients with the milk, your Ube extract, and vanilla extract. And then we mix this on medium for about 1 minute. The final step is to fold the rest of the dry ingredients. You do this putting the rest of the dry ingredients into your mixing bowl and folding it using a spatula. The next step is to scoop our purple Ube batter into our cupcake tins. I lined my cupcake pan with gold cupcake tins to represent the armor of Thanos. And then we bake this for 18 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I gave my cupcakes plenty of time to cool and it's now time for us to decorate. I put a little bit of Ube extract on my cream cheese frosting. If you don't know how to make cream cheese frosting, you can check the details below for the full recipe. What I'm going to be using to decorate my Ube cupcakes is a Russian piping ball tip. My inspiration for decoration is the cloud where Thanos comes out from the movie trailer. This ball tip creates a very cool design. I used this edible pearl dust to give my cupcakes a little shimmer. To make Thanos' Infinity Gauntlet, I took this action figure and used silicone putty mold to make a candy melt mold. Using the Wilton Color Right Kit color chart, I've used 7 pieces of yellow, 4 pieces of brown, and 1 piece of red. Once you melt that down, you're gonna get a bronze color. I filled my custom mold with the bronze melted candy melts and freeze them for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, what we do is we take our putty mold and then we pull the silicone putty mold apart to get Thanos' gauntlet. I took my candy melt out of the mold and then I sprayed it with some Wilton gold color mist. To represent the Infinity Stones, I've taken some rock candies to represent each Infinity Stone. I've taken some piping gel to glue the rock candy in place. And then we stick this on the cupcake. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you enjoyed the movie Avengers Infinity War. Don't forget to hit subscribe and share this video to all of your friends. Thanks for watching! See you again next week.